Good morning from Eastport, Maine. This is a new cruise port to us, and I believe the Enchanted Princess was also the first cruise ship to this port this year. An exciting day for sure. This day, we would have to tender over to the port, so Princess was using its lifeboats today. This meant that we had to grab a tender ticket and wait our turn before we could head ashore. We are on the tender boat. Oh my goodness. There is room upstairs, but with my knee, we're not making that trip today. And this is Chris's first water shuttle. How was it?
So far, so good. This is like miso. Have you ever had a miso soup?
Yeah. Okay.
And then the horsetail kelp is, I think they call it kombu, right? So this is a different, you can see side by side, they're similar, but different species. And we have over 100 species of seaweeds here in Maine.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. This one's called bladder rack. This one's called knotted rack. We have the green stuff here is sea lettuce.
Are they still healthy and doing well here? Or
Yeah, so the only thing, there's a lot of heavy metals in the water around the whole globe. So like these seaweeds are high in mercury and arsenic and all kinds of things. So,
I can't see.
Can we see the starfish?
this one's regrowing an arm where it got
Oh,
cut off.
wow.
So they can regenerate.
Ooh.
Patty. You want to hold the starfish?
You're on camera. Oh my goodness. Look at that. How does it feel?
It feels.
Oh, it's rough.
Is that seaweed?
This is
Check this dude at least. He's feeling kind of crabby today.
It's called
Hello,
horsetail
dude.
kelp. Yes.
You're on Candy Camera.
He just made the
It's
vlog,
alive.
buddy.
It came right out of the bay this morning. This is another one called sugar kelp.
Whoa, that is a big dude.
Yeah, they have a bluish green tinge to them. You'll need two hands if you want to hold it.
Is that a boy or a girl?
This one's a boy.
Good way to hold it.
Right there, and then one underneath the tail. So
Oh, wow.
These are just modified feet. They use those to eat. So they crush the food with this, they cut it with that claw, then they use these little tiny legs to feed little chunks in. Exactly. Yeah.
Because it's optional.
That is awesome.
He hides.
What do they eat?
So mostly just other little tiny little swimmers and bugs and plant detritus and each other.
The recreational license.
Oh, okay.
And we got 28 lobsters and 5 crabs. It's the best fishing ever. Well, these things are called sea cucumbers. They're just like a bag, like a water balloon. Feel it.
Oh, they
It's actually-
excrete stuff
yeah.
too. Oh, okay.
Spit in the water.
Something horrible.
Yeah.
I give you credit for being brave.
It looks like a bad avocado.
Good choice. It spits, but be careful.
What's your starfish?
So the town of Eastport has really pulled out all the stops for us today. They've got food trucks. I heard they've closed down streets so that we can walk. And wonderful, wonderful people. Great hospitality so far. some lemonade. Got a hot dog stand. This one's cash only.
They bring some cash.
Welcome to the historic port of Eastport, Maine. I love it. There's a view of our ship. I'm gonna go take a walk. Oh, looks like there's a little trail. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, that's gonna be a pretty picture. Cool. All these interesting plants. Everything's so green. Beautiful.
That is the fruit.
Wow, that is some macrame right there. That's cool. Looks like they got a brewery over here. I think on the street there's a few restaurants. Oh,
Always the weekend after
Saturday
Labor Day.
before Halloween. Cool. Alright. So the goal is to get some lobster, obviously, and try some local food.
Yes.
Ooh, I see shopping. Look at this cool mermaid statue. We found him. We found Gordon. Look at that. Very cool. Alright, so we got a few recommendations from Jean, who sold us some really cute souvenirs, to go to get some seafood. So she said, what was his name? Wackos and Happy Crab. So I'm gonna see which one has a shorter line, and we're gonna go get some grub. Alright, so the Happy Crab was a bust. It was absolutely packed. So we're in line at Wacko, which was one of the places that was recommended. And yeah, this is gonna be interesting. It smells amazing. So we finally got a table at Wacko. It's called Maine's oldest diner, established in 1924. And we got a table outside with the ship right behind us. Very cool. So I'll show you the menu. We are gonna go for some lobster rolls, I think, and some clam chowder, which is gluten-free. I am very happy about that. Here's my lovely date. What do you think you're gonna have?
Gotta get the lobster. I mean, Maine is world famous for the lobster. It's the lobster capital of the world, so yeah, it all starts over here. So I'm sure it's gonna be the freshest I've ever had. And yeah, I'll do the clam chowder as well. That sounds pretty good.
I can't wait. All right, so we have got our drinks. I've got a mimosa. Chris got a margarita. I got some chowder. And right on time, we got our lobster rolls. So I got mine on lettuce because no gluten-free bread. And then look at that one. That is the real deal there. So the chowder is gluten-free, which is awesome. Been dying for some clam chowder. So let's chow down. All right, Chris. He's about to take his first bite of that beautiful lobster roll.
It's perfect. Look at that.
Oh,
So fresh. It's good. It's worth the wait.
yay.
All right, baby, what do we got here?
I got a lobster roll and a wrap.
That's
Because I
the
can't eat the bread.
gluten-free version
I'm
there.
going to try to do my best to not make a mess. Here we go.
All right, let's do it. What do you think?
I forgot.
You can zoom in on that. Look at that lobster, y'all. That's fresh. I mean, it was caught like right out here in the water. Probably a day or two ago. So that's. And the cool thing is, you look above on this head, we got the ship out here. How about that, folks? That is awesome. That makes it worth it. All right. I know Wanda don't like to be filmed eating, so.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.
Ooh, a wine shop. Very cute. Tonight's dinner was at the Catch by Rudi. This is the seafood restaurant on board. This was hands down our best meal of the cruise. The food was fresh, beautifully presented, and delicious. Our server was incredibly attentive as well. We can't wait to dine here again. All right, so we started off with a welcome drink. And this is a welcome starter. Some kind of a spread with pine nuts and walnuts and cream and some vegetables. And there's this loaf of bread with some butter. Yes, that one's for Chris, and they're gonna bring one for me. Okay, here is my modified one with no nuts and no pesto, and my gluten-free bread.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh wow.
Ooh. Because you can mix it, yeah?
Oh, I love that.
Right.
Beautiful, thank you.
Enjoy dinner.
How nice.
Look at that.
Whoa, look at that thing. Yum. Look at Chris's. That looks delicious. It's got his Parmesan fries. Mmm, that looks great. Awesome.
Take away.
You're fine.
Yes.
I'm so glad you doing that.
You scared?
I would have been, it would have been like this. I would have flicked it off.
Only the body, okay, that you can have the meat. Yeah?
Yes.
Only on the body. Very easy to take away the meat. It's very delicious. Okay.
Beautiful.
So,
Thank
enjoy.
you.
Bon appetit.
Hi guys, just got back from the casino about 2:09. Your boy got a little bit hungry, so we decided to order some room service and ordered it at 2:09. It got here at 2:30, so looking at 21 minutes. Ordered a burger, some fries, and some cookies. Most of that is for me, but we'll see what we got over here. Okay, food just got here. Oh my god, y'all, these cookies are so good. Look how thick they are. I'll eat maybe half of that. Save them for later. Fries. Oh, they're still warm. Good. Got that. Oh man. Wanda says I'm out of control. It's my burger. Get a little onion, some more fries, got some condiments right there. But yeah, so it's like 2:30 a.m. Your boy got the munchies. We're drinking some champagne. Yeah. Favor gave us a bottle of champagne. But anyway, getting ready to do some chowing down. Talk to you later. We had such a blast this day. Thanks for watching. Up next, our day in St. John, New Brunswick.